Hi, this is Sarah. In this video we will see how to install Node-RED in Windows machine and what is Node-RED. Node-RED is written in JavaScript and this Node-RED is cross-platform. We can install and execute in Windows as well as other operating system like Linux. And this Node-RED is mainly used to develop flow-based programming for wiring the Internet of Things IoT, and this Node-RED is built on Node.js. So Node-RED is the software. To install this Node-RED, Node.js should be installed and available in the Windows machine. To ensure the Node.js availability in the machine, we can use this command in the command prompt to check the Node.js availability. I am executing this command, version check command. So here Node is not recognized because Node.js is not installed in this machine. So now I am going to install the Node.js. To install the Node.js, we need Node.js setup. We can refer this URL to download the Node.js setup. So here download option is there. On click the download option, here we are seeing the setup file. So there is 32-bit and 64-bit is available. Currently I am using Windows 64-bit, so I am downloading the 64-bit setup file. Yeah, it's downloaded. So it will take 2 minutes to download. I am installing this Node.js now. I am accepting the license agreement. This is the folder I am going to install the Node.js. C:\programming files, Node.js folder. Next and next. So here checkbox is there. Automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install Chocolatey. No, I am not going to install Chocolatey. So I am skipping this and proceeding further. Actually the Chocolatey is a software package management software. Within a single command we can install many softwares automatically in the machine, and to update the latest version using a single command we can update all the software latest version. For now I am skipping this. Next and installing. Node.js is installing and copying folders in programming files. Maximum it will take 2 to 3 minutes to install this Node.js. Yeah, Node.js has been successfully installed. I am checking the Node.js installation path. C:\programming file Node.js. Yeah, so here Node.js is installed. Now we will check the Node version with the same command. Yeah, so here we are seeing the Node and npm versions. So now Node.js is installed and available in this machine. Now we can install the Node-RED. To install the Node-RED, we can use this command in the command prompt. So Node-RED is started to download and install. So actually the files are downloading to install. So maximum this will take 3 to 4 minutes to install this Node-RED. Once you install this Node-RED, it will show the version. Yeah, here 2.0.6 version we have installed. Node.js 14.17.06 and this Node-RED is 2.0.6. done. So to start the Node-RED, this is the command to start the Node-RED. Node-RED. Allowing public networks. We are now installed the Node-RED with the help of Node.js. So here we are seeing the Node.js version 14.17.6 and Node-RED version 2.0.6. So it is got started. So the server is running at 1880 portal localhost. To access the Node-RED homepage, we can use this URL. Yeah, so this is the Node-RED homepage. We have installed the Node-RED software, and in left side there are many nodes available. So they have splitted by categories. So parser, storage, sequence, network, and functions and common. So other than this, any nodes if required, so we need to install separately. Now I am going to stop the server. Control C, Y. Yeah, now stopped the server. I am reloading the page. It's not loading because the server is stopped. Again I am starting the Node-RED with the same command. Yeah, started the Node-RED server. Now again I am reloading the page. The page is loading and coming. So here instead of 127.0.0.1 we can use also localhost. So we will see the same. So both are same. Yeah, now we install the Node-RED. Now I am going to uninstall the Node-RED. So to uninstall the Node.js, automatically we have to go my computer control panels to uninstall the Node.js. Here I am seeing the Node.js. This I am going to uninstall. It's uninstalling and deleting the files from programming files. Almost completed. Yeah, completed. So now we have uninstalled the Node.js. Again I am going to C: programming files. Here I am not seeing the Node.js folder. So now we have seen installed and uninstalled Node.js and Node-RED installation and seen home page. Yeah, in next video we will see how to use this Node-RED. Thank you.